Alright, today I'm installing some new spark plugs and the Mk6 Gti, which is parked right there. Got the EK hatch. Yeah, I picked these up from New German Performance. I didn't expect to spend $56 on these, but I guess in the long run it'll be worth it because they last longer. They're laser platinum premium spark plugs, NGKR. Fancy ass little box, but I got the tool, spark plug tool to remove, and then I seen someone else was using a flathead to get the clips that connect to the coil packs. So we're about to get this done. Let's get it. Alright. The weather is pretty shitty right now. Fuck. Car's dirty as shit. It's been raining like all week. Pop the hood. Let's see what we have here. There goes my spark plugs that were perfectly got. That's not good. Alright. Pop the top. Engine's still warm. This probably isn't the best idea. Wow. That's not good at all. The clip is broke on this. That is not good. Wow, how have I never noticed that? Snap these guys. Nice. Now the question is, this is why you gotta be careful when you do these things, or else, you know, you're not getting a good connection onto the coil pack. That's never good. Finally managed to get this clip off. Finally came undone. Just for everyone else, I didn't break this myself. I bought this car pre-owned, so make sure you guys be careful when you're taking out these clips and such. And easily put it in the hole. Oh, that feels so good. Do a hand tight until you can't anymore. These guys in. 1, 2. There she comes. There she goes. Slowly. Ooh. Wow. I might need new coil packs. Shit looks kind of weird. Alright, so that's number 2. If we can get this one. Yep. Sits in there nice. Not too bad. Finally got the third coil pack. I used old Big Bertha right here. Got some leverage on the PCV. Popped her right out. Yeah. Let's get to it. Nice. They all look pretty even so far. Still fucking hot. Alright, let's plug these clips back in. Sick. Now, we find out. And it should be good. Solid to me, sounds solid. I hit a test ride and see how she does. Ooh. Feels smooth, real smooth. Ooh, shit. No traction. No traction again. So yeah, that's basically it for this video. If you guys fucking enjoyed this shit, give it a thumbs up, you know, comment down below if you have any questions. Yeah, make sure you guys are just taking your time when you're changing your spark plugs or coil packs or whatever. You know, just be extra careful when it comes to shit like that. And yeah, see you guys in the next video.